Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.2, no problem number 12. A 150 meter long train is moving with a constant velocity of 12.5 meter per second. The constant velocity, that is the speed of the train. Find the equation of the motion of the train, time taken to cross a pole, the time taken to cross the bridge of length 850 meter is. Three subdivisions are there. We can do one by one. The length of the train is 150 meters. Okay. You are given the length of the train, that is 150 meters, and uniform velocity. That means the speed of the train also given. You are asked to find out the equation of motion of the train. Okay. Here, let x be the time taken by the train, and let y be the distance to be traveled by the train. We know that speed equals distance by time. Speed that is given in the question itself 12.5. Distance means distance to be covered plus and length of the train. That's the total distance. So total distance, what I have to write? Distance to be covered plus length of the train, whole divided by the time taken. The distance to be covered, what I have taken, that is y. Length of the train, that is equal to 150 meters, that is given in the question, divided by time we have considered as x. So what is in the left hand side? 12.5. You have to cross multiply 12.5x, that is equal to y plus 150. Therefore, plus 150 comes left hand side, minus 150. 12.5x, that is equal to, minus 150, that is equal to y. So, y that is equal to 12.5x minus 150. This is the equation of the motion of a train. This is the equation of motion of a train. This is the distance to be covered, that is y units. The total distance means even the length of the train to be added, that is given as 150. So that I have added these two, 150 plus y. So that is the total distance. Okay. So this is the equation of motion of a train. Subdivision 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. This is subdivision number 1. Second subdivision is, what is the time taken to cross a pole? Okay, look at that. Suppose a pole is here. This is a train. The engine part is here only. You are asked to find out the time taken to cross the pole. Okay, suppose the distance here, that is what I have taken here, that is y units. Suppose the train is moving now, automatically the y will be reduced. Keep on moving. When the engine comes to this place, what about the value of y? Y that is equal to 0. Okay. When the train at that place, engine is at that place, y will be, that is the distance. Suppose the train is moving now, automatically the y will be reducing. When it touches this place, y will be 0. Okay. So when the train crosses the pole, y becomes 0. Therefore, equation 1 implies, consider this is equation number 1. In equation number 1, replace y by 0. So 0, that is equal to 12.5x minus 150. 0, that is equal to 12.5x minus 150, which implies minus 150 comes left hand side, plus 150, that is equal to 12.5x, which implies x, that is equal to 150 divided by 12.5. For eliminating the decimal point, we have, after a decimal point, we have only one digit. So multiplied by 10 divided by 10. We will be getting 1500 divided by 12.5 into 10, that is equal to 125, equals 1500 divided by 125. 125, balance 25, bring down 0, 2 125s are 250, balance 0. So 12 seconds. Subdivision to answer 12 seconds. Now third subdivision. Here you write the result. Therefore, time taken by the train to cross the pole, that is equal to 12 seconds. Now third subdivision. Length of the bridge given when length of the bridge is considered as y, that is equal to 850 meters. Equation 1 implies, so length of the bridge, that is 850 meters. Equation 1 implies, substitute y, that is equal to 850 meters. Equation 1, here it is y, that is equal to 12.5x minus 150. Y, that is equal to, what is the value of y? 850, that is equal to 12.5x minus 150, which implies 850 minus 150 comes left hand side, plus 150, that is equal to 12.5x. So the total distance covered, that is equal to 1000 meters, because length of the bridge, that is 850 meters, even the train distance, length of the train to be added. So therefore the minus 150 comes left hand side, plus 150 will be getting 1000 meters to be covered. So 1000, that is equal to 12.5x, which implies x, that is equal to 1000 divided by 12.5. So multiplied by 10, divide by 10 for eliminating the decimal point. 1000 into 10, that is equal to 10,000 divided by 12.5 into 10, that is equal to 125. So 1000 divided by 125. Sorry, 10,000 divided by 125. So 8 125s are 1000, 0. So 80 125s are 10,000. So the answer is 80 seconds. Therefore, time taken by the train to cross the bridge of length 850 meters. By the result, therefore, time taken by the train to cross the bridge of length 850 meters equals 80 seconds. Yes, problem number 12 is completed, then I'll be teaching problem number 13 in the next video. Thank you, children.